Hey guys, it's Mark from Erickson Machine. Today we're going to do a little bit different of a video. I was sent a product to test from Ancel BMW scan tool. So this isn't my car, but it happens to be my mom's. So they sent it to me, asked me to do a review, see what I thought about it, and there'll be a link below if you guys want to get this. So let's get started. Alright guys, so this was sent to me to test. We're going to test it out on my mom's BMW. It's a 2017 X3, I believe. Car's been great. Nice thing, so you can reset battery management, the electronic brake, steering angle sensor, reset the fuel pump, clear, EGS adaptions, clear fault codes, of course, read fault codes, retrieve data stream, so on and so forth. My understanding is it also does the TPMS sensors as well, if I've read it correctly. Or I could be making that up. No, I'm making that up, I think. So let's open this up, see how it works. All right, so this is how the package comes. Let's see if we can do this one-handed. So here's a sensor, USB wire, instructions. So showing you the 20-pin adapter, the standard adapter. So my understanding is this is for, I don't know what year BMW is. So I know it was sent to me, they knew what year this one was, to be completely honest. All right, so let's plug this in and check her out. Go. So this is the Ancel BMW BM700. So when you go on the screen, so we got ODB2, for BMW, oil reset, battery, tools, etc. So let's check out the different features on this. It's probably not a touch screen. Oh, you know what? It would probably help if I turn the car on. Alright, so now we got the car running. Read codes. Vehicle has no fault codes. Let's go back. Okay. For BMW. So let me see. So it'll be X series, because this is an X3, X3. I believe it's that one. Let's see, basic functions. gotta say, this is actually a really nice scanner, especially I have had scanners for my mom's old BMW, which was an inexpensive one, and it really didn't tell you anything. It was kind of a nightmare to do anything with. This one, which as you guys can see, I literally just opened up the box, is significantly more user-friendly. We can scroll through. Let's escape out of here. Okay. I gotta say, the user menu is really nice using the escape and okay. It's a very nicely lit screen. Okay, so you can individually go. You know, the tricky thing, we're testing a scan tool right now on a car that's working fine. So we're not really going to find anything significantly wrong. We're just going to find how the tool works. So let me go back. Let's see what the spectral functions are. So reset control unit, transmission, battery fuel, battery management, steering angle sensor, dynamics, tire pressure warning reset. So that would be the TPMS's, but that's just saying it's resetting it. Alright, let's back out and keep looking. Alright, so that looks like it. So we can go into the parking brake, battery. Oh, that's cool. It will check the battery as well. That is really awesome. So it's a battery tester as well. Engine control module. And tool setup. So beep, instructions on startup, skin style, feedback, language. Okay, very neat. So this is a really nice tool. So looking at it, it's an ODB2 scanner, does all the special BMW features, which, you know, unfortunately a lot of scanners just don't work on these. You can reset the oil, test your battery, parking brake, etc. So this is for me, this is something I would buy. I try to do work on our cars myself. Turn the car off. So when all possible, I try to fix stuff myself. So to be totally honest, I worked on cars, you know, I don't know, over 20 years ago. I worked as a automotive mechanic from, I think, 16 to 21-ish. And at that point, I had already started working with power sports and stuff like that. I raced cars for a long time. And then went into power sports, still race cars, build race car engines, stuff like that. But still work on my own vehicles, my wife's vehicle, my family vehicles. So I am by no means what I would consider a professional mechanic in the automotive sense, but I have a pretty good idea what I'm doing. So, which I have a feeling that this sensor, this reader is basically exactly for somebody like me. Or so, final thoughts on this BMW BM700 Ancel scan tool. So I've gotten to play with it and use it on my mom's vehicle. I've been thoroughly impressed. It's extremely user-friendly. I've read through the instructions since the video to see whatever I've missed, and it does a lot more than I originally said. So I'm just going to read the list off to be completely fair. So on the ad, it says that it can read the TPMS sensors. I don't know if it's programmable, that's where I said in the beginning of the video, but it can read them and reset them, which is an awesome feature. So reset the oil light, SAS, read the engine, check the battery, ABS, airbag, transmission, ESP, the immobilizer, suspension, and drivetrain. It's an ODB1 and ODB2 scanner, which is nice. I was looking at the years, and it goes all the way to like the 80s, I believe, up to now. So by no means am I an expert on it. If you're looking for your specific vehicle, you know, check and look that it works. But from what I can see, it works on most BMWs, which is nice. Can read injector codes, reset the oil light. I think I said that already. So, as I said, some of these scan tools can be a nightmare to work on. This one most definitely is not. Very easy, user-friendly. I was able to basically open the box and use it as you guys saw. So if you guys are looking for a scan tool for your BMW, I'm impressed with this one. If you guys want to get it, there'll be a link down below where, you know, if you buy it through us, you know, through our link, obviously it helps support the channel. If not, hopefully you guys like this video. Cool product. If you guys like videos like this and like to see more, you know, put a comment down below. As always, thank you for watching. It's greatly appreciated. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.